Why does your scanner show the P1500 engine code? What does it mean? P1500 is a diagnostic trouble code for vehicle speed sensor intermittent. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected the vehicle's speed sensor input signal was intermittent. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty vehicle speed sensor. Damaged VSS wiring. Sensor mounting issues. Low battery voltage. Transmission issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Hyundai, Kia, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.